Making sure we've downloaded and unzipped our files, we can open Up Indesign and get started. If you're using a lab computer, go to the Start menu and just search Adobe InDesign, and you should see the program listed out. Click it and it'll open right up. When it opens, you'll be greeted by the Recent Documents page, which may very well be empty for you if you haven't used the program before. Go ahead and click the New button on the left-hand side of the page to open up the New Document panel. Here, you're able to set the name, dimensions, and other properties for your document. We'll go through them one by one. Up top, you've got the document name and preset saver. The document name determines your file's default save name, though this can always be set when you actually save. To the right of that is the Save Preset button. Clicking that will allow you to save your properties as a preset that you could later load over on the left-hand portion of the screen. Below that, we've got the document dimensions, where you can set your document's width and height. By default, your measurement units are set to picas, a common typesetting measurement, but you can easily change that to something more commonplace, like pixels or inches. Below that, you can set the number of pages and toggle on or off facing pages. Number of pages sets how many pages your document's created with, but this can be easily changed after you create it, so don't worry if you find yourself needing an extra page after the fact. The Facing Pages box determines how your pages are laid out while you're working on them. If the box is checked, your document pages will be laid out like a book, and if it's left unchecked, it'll be laid out like a Microsoft Word document. You've then got options for how InDesign numbers pages, how many columns you'd like, and panels for setting margins and bleed. We won't mess with any of those, but they'd work similarly to how you'd expect. Go ahead and match your settings to mine, and when you're ready, click Create.